Hello WordPress devs, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about KLIPY. So what is KLIPY? First let's open the website. So KLIPY is a GIF, sticker and clips API founded by former members of Tenor team. So if you don't know Tenor, and Tenor is again like GIF library. You can search stickers and GIFs over here. So it is similar to that. So former member of Tenor founded this KLIPY. Now thousands of developers already use their APIs to integrate animated content into their web and mobile apps. So their API delivers some of the highest share rate in an industry. So by integrating KLIPY, app users gain access to a library of 10 million pieces of content, all easily searchable via KLIPY's unique search algorithm. Now they provide API as well, so that we can integrate that in our app or website. So by using their API, I'm gonna integrate it into a WordPress site. So first let's go to API and I'm gonna log in. I have already account, so let's log in. So I am logged into their API or maybe developer account. Let's click on API. Okay, so this is their API doc. So in my implementation, I'm gonna implement the GIF API. So I will use GIF search. So this is the API and I'm gonna implement that in my WordPress site. So let's open my local WordPress site. For that I have already created a sample plugin. So let's search KLIPY for WordPress. So again, this is not provided by them. I created to demonstrate how we can integrate their API into WordPress. So plugin is activated. Now I will go to post and create a new post. So test KLIPY. So let's search KLIPY here. So once you add KLIPY, you have to search GIF. So I'm gonna say cry. So once I search cry, we will have the response from the API provided by KLIPY. So all of these GIFs are coming from KLIPY. So let's remove that and I'm gonna say sad. So this is the KLIPY. Let's say dance. So once you click that, you will be able to add that KLIPY GIF into your WordPress editor, and let's publish it. And then if we try to visit that page, we will be able to see this GIF over here. So how do I implement that? So basically I have created a block. So this is the plugin KLIPY for WordPress, and I have created block, and let's inspect this. I'm gonna go to network tab. Okay. And then let's remove this first. And let's search this. Dance. So for that, first it will call this REST API which is I created. Now this REST API will call KLIPY REST API. Why I did this? Because we need their API key over here on our site. So before that, let me show you setting KLIPY. So I have provided this setting page where I have added API key from the KLIPY. So if I go to create API keys, I have already created this key. So I just copied that key and then added over here. Once I save the API key, then only we will be able to use their REST API. So yeah, this API. So I'm gonna go to includes class REST. So here is the REST API search GIFs, and in this I have used that API key and call their API key, API KLIPY.com API v1 GIF search, which is this v1 then API key GIF search, and then I requested using WP remote get. So in this URL, this is the API key. So in the base, we are adding some parameters like page number, per page, customer ID and all. So whatever the parameter we needed in the API URL, that we are passing over here, and then we send requests to the API, and then we get a response from the API. So once we get response, we decode it to JSON, and then we get response in the REST API. So we get a response something like this. So let me show you the response as well. Yeah, so this is how we get a response like this. So in file HD GIF, we have the GIF URL. So that is what we are using when we add to the editor. So this is how simply we can implement KLIPY API in a WordPress. So I'm gonna provide this link into the description section for the KLIPY. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Respect nature.